back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. I realize that I do a lot of healthcare videos, but there's other insurance products other than health insurance. So today we have a company, Pi Insurance. Now they are in the commercial insurance space. They are hiring work from home for the United States only. We're going to dive all in. Just know the links to all the pages I share are linked in the YouTube description box below this video if you want to read the reviews on the company or put that application in. But Pi Insurance, they have 92 reviews on Glassdoor from current and past employees, and they do have a high rating of 4.4 out of 5 stars. They are hiring an underwriting associate for the United States. Now, their mission is to empower small businesses to thrive by making commercial insurance affordable and as easy as pie, they say. But they're basically looking for someone to help their underwriting associates on the front end, interacting with their underwriters and partners day to day. You'll be reviewing and analyzing new business submissions, including revisions of existing quotes and binding policies being purchased. So you'll process submissions that come from numerous channels and capture all the data in their computer system of record. You're going to gather, consolidate, and input the information from the third-party services and partners. You'll conduct risk and exposure research around the types of activities that the employees are working on. You'll send out requests for additional information and quotes as needed, and you'll use the system and tools that you have like Salesforce, Slack, and Security, and their rating and insurance platforms. You'll also be using Microsoft Excel. As far as what they're looking for, of course, all companies prefer a bachelor degree, but that is not required. It says a high school diploma or GED is required. They're looking for somebody who's 1 year experience in some kind of commercial lines is preferred, or workers' compensation or other kind of insurance. It says or relevant work experience. Someone who has the desire to improve how insurance operates, someone who can do quality work, pay high attention to detail, and someone who has knowledge of those web-based cloud platforms. Now, if this sounds like something you're interested in, of course, pay is going to be dependent on location and experience, but ranges anywhere from $50,000 a year all the way up to $65,000 a year. Of course, they also offer a standard benefit package that includes health insurance, paid time off, and 401k. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. Even if I'm not always responding, I do read those and keep that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.